In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a roadmap in ClickUp. Whether you're planning a big project, outlining your team's goals, or simply mapping out your next steps, ClickUp offers powerful tools to help you stay organized and on track. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a functional, tailored roadmap that suits your workflow perfectly. So, let's dive in and get started. First, open your internet browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in using your email address or one of your connected social accounts. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and start using it today. After logging in, take a moment to confirm that you're in the correct workspace. You'll find the workspace name at the top of the ClickUp homepage. It's important to make sure you're in the right place before continuing. Now turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Locate the section labeled Spaces. This is where all your projects and organizational areas are housed. Find the space that holds your project and click the small arrow beside it to expand it. This will reveal all the folders and lists within that space. Next, click on the specific list where you want your roadmap to be created. Once you're inside the list, move your mouse over the list area. A plus button will appear. This is your gateway to adding new items. Click on it, and from the context menu that pops up, select Templates. This will open the Templates window. You'll see a search bar at the top. In the search bar, type in the words Roadmap. ClickUp will show you a selection of roadmap templates to choose from. Take a moment to review the available options. Each template is designed for different use cases, so pick the one that best fits your needs. When you've found the perfect template, click the button that says Use Template. This will add the template to your chosen list, and you're ready to start customizing it. Begin by renaming the items in your roadmap to reflect your specific initiatives or goals. This step ensures that everything matches your project's unique objectives. Once the names are updated, adjust the dates for each task to align with your schedule. This will give you a clear timeline for your roadmap. Next, assign owners to each task. This adds accountability by letting your team know who's responsible for what. Simply click on a task and then assign the appropriate team member to it. After that, double-check that the template statuses and custom fields fit your workflow. For example, if your team uses specific status labels like in progress or pending review, make sure the roadmap reflects those terms. Similarly, ensure that any custom fields like priority levels or estimated hours are set up to match your team's needs. Once you're happy with all the changes, don't forget to save your work. Finally, share the roadmap with your team. This ensures everyone is on the same page and ready to collaborate effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully created a roadmap in ClickUp. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.